Basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. What is initial stability? It is the ability of a ship to resist small angles of heel. Shows how fast the ship returns upright, measured by metacentric height. Main reference points. K stands for keel, G is for center of gravity, B is center of buoyancy, and M is metacenter.
Metacentric height or GM. Distance between G and M. The formula. GM equals KM equals KG. If GM or metacentric height is greater than 0, it means stable. But if metacentric height or GM is less than 0, it means unstable. Higher GM is better initial stability. So, imong metacentric height or GM dapat greater than 0 para stable. Kaya if less than 0, di na siya stable. Important terms. KG, height of G from keel. KB, height of B from keel. KM, height of M from keel. GZ, righting lever, and eta is angle of heel. Importance of stability. Prevents capsizing, ensures safety of crew and cargo affected by cargo loading, ballast, and hull shape.